What's up, guys? My name is Stay Bad, per usual. Anyways, so I'm experiencing with the idea of possibly doing this as a vlog. I don't know how well I'll be able to execute it, but basically, I'm at my auntie's house and I'll be babysitter for this week. So, little one is in there sleeping, my baby cousin, and I'll be taking care of him. They should be very interested having single parent or whatever you want to call that energy, and. I don't know, I'm interested. My ear want look a sound like I don't know if I was outside or if I am kind of move ready to get up. It is like after 10. It's about 10. Let me see. It is 10:26 and he's still not up. I'm okay with that because I have some work doing on my laptop, and the silence would be greatly appreciated because I know it's gonna be gone once he's up. So, excuse me. So let's see how. If my mouth video now, yeah. You know something with video if when I see it. It might not long, because I not speak on my phone either. Yeah. Him get up? Yeah. It looks so. You up? You up? Hi, Mike.
Hi.
Hi, baby. You ready to get up?
Mm-hmm.
Alright. Let's go. This is something else. Alright. Okay.
Okay.
Alright, what you want? You want water? Or you're not ready for anything?
This morning,
Oh, work my ear. I'm gonna be here with you today.
What?
Yeah, you want food now? No? You want water? Yeah, you're just gonna do your thing right now? He's gonna play? Okay. Okay, he gonna play. Okay, so of course I don't have my things because I'm not home. So I don't have my ring lights and those stuff where I could actually show a little bit of me working and doing some work. It's schoolwork and having him play out there. I'm gonna show a glimpse of him, but I only have 2 minutes left on this recording. I don't think I'll get that much done for take my thing up on. I'm not think me I get that much recordings for today, but yeah. Mike. Hey, come. Can't manage. I'm gonna have no footage for showing. Like, I gave him Oreos to eat, and him just want to eat the white things. Him have it hide underneath the couch cushion to Jesus Christ. I can't manage. I'm give him one banana, and a piece of the skin come up with him. If you throw the skin, him throw the entire banana. Me just, Look, behind my back, him gonna start drinking juice. He must someone else, you know. I'm tell him, said, do I eat it, and this little fart, and that him do. No, I don't believe this. I can't just, when I sit down and watch him, I eat, him do this. No, no, I don't want to believe it. I don't want to believe it. I'm looking like a young Rasta.
Man, I live like
Yeah,
Rasta.
I'm not at home, so I'm not really. I'm supposed to be able to take care of my hair this weekend, but I'll find time to do it. Anyways, I need to fill you guys in from what happened yesterday. As I said, I didn't have much space on my phone. I have about 14 minutes. Hopefully, I can get this day pitched in and out. Today is Tuesday, and yesterday, basically, I think the last thing I showed you guys was when he started to hide the cookies. So yeah, him had the cookies. Them what is for sure? Like him, they start get very loud, and my head couldn't manage that. And then I was trying to do a project of some sort, so I'm never really able to fully focus. But I was able to overlook it basically. And now I've just fed him. He ate most of the porridge this time compared to yesterday. I had to give him in 2 rounds. When he got really hungry, then he ate it off. But now he watching Paw Patrol. I think I'm gonna finally get something to eat. I made it, but I was not able to eat it. And then I am going. Let's see if we can do some of the work. My laptop and everything ready up right there, so I'm going to station. But let's see. So I'm watching Paw Patrol. Yes. Hopefully that can keep him a little bit relaxed. I'm having tablet today. I never have that yesterday. So if I'm starting at night, I eat my get him. Yeah. Jesus is love. I don't know what happened the difference between today and yesterday now, but this bag of excitement for being today. I don't know where it comes from. Like, Jesus, please. I can't, but a day-to-day difference. Just I wet up for no reason. That thing's I need beard. And that's just my shirt. Because my shorts probably get the most right. And it's black either way, so I'm not really see it. Alright. Okay, so quick check-in. Love waste time for my personal work thing, but I gave him a box juice about let's say 10 minutes ago or 15. Yeah, seem alright. I'm kind of quiet now. I'm having tablets. I'm checking on him. I was thinking possibly I'm going to finish this section that I'm on and probably go and make something for me to eat as well, and ask him what he wants. Need him to give him cereal or I'm back home. But yeah, check in. How you feeling? You okay?
Yeah.
You watching anything?
Yeah.
You hungry?
Yeah.
What you want to eat? You want your bottle or cereal?
Yes.
Juice? I just gave you juice. What you want, bottle or cereal?
Jelly.
This is him. Alright, so when we're actually ready for me to make whatever, this constant knife techniques is what I'm gonna reach now. I'm actually ready for make whatever, then we'll check him back. Probably just make him back, to be honest, regardless. Vex like me. So how long this boy could have feed himself? Really? Like this morning I said, oh, can you feed yourself, you know? I try help him for start up. Immature tantrum. And before I could go put on the bowl, he's like, don't. And him put over him things them, grab the spoon. So just watch what I do. I couldn't believe this. Me could not believe this. Well, can't feed himself, but with porridge, I have to feed him. I don't understand this. Well, I feed himself, you know. Oh, okay, yes, Jesus. Alright. I guess this means me free to go. To go look out for my little lunch myself. My little hot dog. Watch it. I'm probably for a bit again tonight. Possibly. I'll just clean the table after I'm done. After he's done. Excuse me. So, I'm gonna just make some hot dogs. I had the stove on low. Just recently turned it up, seeing that, you know, I'm free. Yeah, it'll take a while for boil, so I think I'm going to go back on the computer for a bit. And the day begins. What am I looking for? What you looking for? Look, I'm running to collect it. This is actually the blanket I made for him before he was even here. With the assistance of my grandmother at the time, because I really didn't know how to use the sewing machine that well, but now I'm a pro. Hey, but yeah, it's holding up so well. This blanket is 4 years old. I'm gonna test to see if he's gonna actually feed himself. I'm gonna put the food right in front of him like the cereal and see if he will do it. Because him can't feed himself, him just. So let's see. Yes, smell nice. Okay, so go ahead. Yeah, so he's actually doing it. So that's what I need to do. Yeah, may I watch? It's good. Okay. I might give 5 stars to mommy. It's hot. Lord Jesus. I just genuinely about him and I hurt him. Listen to me. You can eat, you feed yourself. Oh, yeah, come. Eat up. The man him can't feed himself. Never that's money time now. Every day is literally something else with him. Like Monday, don't give me no problem with the bathing. Tuesday, excitement. Today, they do well, and then we must say our need to rinse off one more time. Excitement. The whole of me wet up, but at least it's done. I'll be something else. Yes, Jesus. So he just had the rest of the porridge. I fed him that, and I gave him his bottle right after. So him well belly full, comfortable, and I relax. Him a live life. Cause me I feel run up and down behind him as him say, hey. I wish that's on my life this thing. Like that from people them play for the wash up too. I don't know people them working on just about this. You know, I say that too. Cause when him ready to make nice, he make nice. So yeah, but still me work this too. I'm very work this. Yeah. Can't believe it's in the evening already. It's like after 3. Let me see. Yeah, it's 3:41 today almost. But I'm not say almost cause my auntie probably not reach her until like 6 or so. So I'm up like 2.5, 3 hours for go there about depending on what time. So yeah.
Tell me something I need to know. Then take my breath. Never let it go. If you just let me invade your space, I'll take the blame.
Okay, so today is Thursday. Happy Thursday, y'all. Today was supposed to be my last day, and I'm hearing my ass may have to come. I don't think my ass gonna have to come here Monday as well. So gonna have to adjust my mind to that real quick. But basically, it's after 9. He's not up yet. I hope he sleeps. Because I want to get some things done. So I'm making myself some breakfast. And I am pretty much rough draft finished with one I'm working on. I also like to read it over and submit it and move on to the next one, which I kind of started looking on this morning as well. Oh yeah, I have some editing to do. For our second channel, it's called Couples Review. If you have not heard about it as yet, please go and subscribe, and the link will be in the comments. Yeah. This boy just walked right past me. I'm gonna see if he can come out back. So this boy got up and just walked straight past me as if I'm not here. This out was party.
No, Orain? What do you mean when you say nice to finally see you? I don't know. I've been saying nice to finally see you.
Okay, so I ended up giving this bottle like him 8 piece some of the porridge. Like me want him go all day. We're just having porridge and water as him diet, so make him back up for him. As I say him I watch tablet and I drink. Yeah, I don't know. But basically, yeah. Say hi.
Hi.
Okay, so this is final day. Yeah, my hair is, I need to wash my hair, so I'm prepping it from now. So this is the final day. Should be. It is, because school starts tomorrow. Final day of babysitting, and I'm making use of my final day here. I don't know why I'm getting up so early. I'm just hearing. It's just like after 8. Jeez, I'm gonna at least give me at least an hour to make my breakfast. Not even that. But yeah, I'm going to do some things. Definitely. I don't know if I can't hear that. This is why him can't stay quiet. I see where I'm getting from. Can't stay quiet. I understand why. So I look well washed out and tired. Water gone. Of all days, something like this just had to happen today. I actually walk with some things to wash. Like walk with work to do. Like really? And of all days for him to actually make more of a mess. Yeah, but my auntie called me not too long ago. Tell me to turn on the tank. And it's kind of enough. If you hear the water catching in the back, that's for the machine. It's going to take longer, but it's better than absolutely nothing. So I left my laptop charger too. So I'm entertainment kind of gone-ish. I'm gonna just use my phone. Hopefully it doesn't die too fast. I'm just gonna use my phone, wash up some plate, cause as I said, of all these bag of mess we make and all them stuff there. I just can't bother, not even put on film side, cause for some reason I don't know how. But him started the regular utensil and I play eat or whatever you call them, something that what children do. So yeah, me I'm up by myself. I place just out for no good reason. I go wash up. What's your name? I wash up them bag of plate while trying to get things washed. And then the next thing too, man, I take more walk with enough detergent. You know, I should have just walk with the big bucket, you know. The man get washed today, you know, best believe. I just done bathing. Today wasn't a fight. Thank God, cause last week Monday was the only good day I had with him, and it seems that the trend is running the same. No, me and this little boy. What is wrong? Why you make up so much noise? Oh boy. That's nice for you. Alright, that's enough. He's doing him. As I said, I'll probably just wash up some things and try do what I can with the limited water. I'm done. I'm tired. I can't bother. I am sorry that you guys haven't really been able to see much of today, but that's how busy I am. And at one point the phone kept saying recording failed. I just can't bother. I'm tired, but water gone. I'm gonna try for wash. So the water is moving slow. It is almost time for quote unquote, you know, the day to end or pick up or whatever you want to call it. I'ma still have one more load for do. One load in there spin out. I'm gonna take them there out and we'll put the other one them to start. So them then I will get for really dry or breeze up before me need to leave. But at least them will wash. Carry them one and pin them up. This a boy just won't eat. Give him the porridge. Don't want it to take 2 spoons earlier today. I'll come back again, warm it up. I know me there waste some time I warm it up. It won't even try it. I can't bother. So I'm going to make something for myself. And then I make like that. Him come and bother me say I want biscuit, I want snack, I give him snack already. I want chocolate. So I mix him back. So me, if I don't eat, make food for myself. I've been trying to feed him, so I have to stop. And then I have to make him food for him first. And wash out him things them. The machine probably soon finished. So either I pause and eat, or I put the clothes in for hang out and sew. So but yeah, I say you never believe say I never want a picnic for now. But I have to really rethink it after this, cause no, not my life, no. See, make more want to do my ear, I can't do my ear. From last week, more want to do my ear, I can't do my ear. No. And this are those part-time children take care of. No, full-time, not yet, not ready. I deny access, no. And also, he won't give me no personal space. I saw me most, I saw him that. I saw me say, go saw him come, it should be. Permission denied. Watch him take out the couch cushion and everything. But him belly well full. Look at him catch it up. Drink it off fast, you know. I can't manage. The more I work this boy put me through. I'm tired. Alright, so I have these to take out, put to sun. Then I still have a set on the ground to get done. Leave. Sure, Jesus. I'm your cousin. Yes? Yes, I am your cousin. Yeah, LT Belch. I'm your cousin. Yes. Yes. Say Shadeka. 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 Don't mix up the clothes, sir. I don't know whose thing is this. What about him? I'm tired. Alright, I can't hold no more than this. I'm going to come back. I want to help him. Pretty much I mimic how I just did that though. No man, you cannot mix up the clothes. Shame. I make them look for food. I forget to put in some of the things them the way I'm just all over the place and can't eat it. I forgot hang out the clothes. No man. No. Finally help has arrived.